Hi ladies, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies. I spoke with your front desk yesterday and she gave me the go-ahead to send this video over to you. The reason I wanted to send this video to you was because I was looking for laser hair removal spas in Atlanta, and I noticed that you guys are #1 in the map pack, which is really great. But you're on the second page for laser hair removal. So I wanted to show you how you could essentially make it to the first page and beat out buckhead plastic surgery. So the two things I'm going to go over are content and backlinks. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage, and then of course lots of content on your back pages as well. In Google's eyes, content is king, and what I mean by content is just all the words and photos that you have. So looking at your homepage, we see that y'all have probably about maybe 12 to 1,300 words on your homepage, which is a pretty good amount. So I would just add a little bit more, but more importantly, you need to make sure that you have the keywords on your website. So taking a look at your top competitor, Buckhead Plastic Surgery, this is their med spa page. They have a decent amount of content on their page as well, but I mean, it is a back page, so it is easier to beat. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So when we search for the top keyword in your area, the first thing that we'll see is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. And backlinks are how we're going to rank here in the organic section. And a backlink is really just one site linking to another site. The tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in Buckhead Plastic Surgery's med spa page, we see that they have 61 referring domains, or 61 websites, giving them 1.19 thousand backlinks. So looking at yours, we plug you guys in, we see you have 34 referring domains giving you 323 backlinks. So we definitely need to add over 1,000. You know, you want to beat your competition by a landslide. Taking a look at keywords. So let's take a look at the keywords. So over here to the left is the list of keywords. Volume is the average monthly searches. KD stands for keyword difficulty, which is how difficult it is to rank for that keyword. Cost per click is the average cost per click for that keyword. So if you were to ever run any Google ads, anytime somebody clicks on your ad, it's around $7 per click. Traffic, this is the average amount of people coming to your site, and position is where you sit in the organic section for that keyword. So looking at laser hair removal Atlanta, that is the top keyword. There's about 600 people looking for that. You guys are in the 12th position, so that is the second page. Best laser hair removal Atlanta, another 150 searches. You guys are in the 15th position for that. Let's see, laser hair removal Atlanta GA, another 90. You're in the 19th position. Laser hair removal in Atlanta, another 50. You're in the 20th position. Atlanta laser hair removal, another 100. You're in the 24th position for that. So you can see that, you know, there's well over 1,000 searches a month for laser hair removal that you're not exactly being found for because you are on the second page. I noticed that you guys also offered facials, so I wanted to show you where you sit for top keywords for that. So here are the top keywords. We have Atlanta facials, there's about 70 searches, facials Atlanta GA 60, facials Atlanta 60, facials in Atlanta 50, and best facials in Atlanta 40. So there's close to 300 searches for those 5 keywords. And taking a look here, we have you guys plugged in. We see for facials Atlanta, you're in the 41st position, best facials 42nd, facials Atlanta GA the 78th, and facials in Atlanta the 83rd position. So definitely not being found for any facials. Definitely want to get that fixed. So just to do a recap for you, I would add a little bit more content to your home page. Definitely make sure the keywords are within the content, and you want to go ahead and outdo your competitor, Buckhead Plastic Surgery, in backlinking. And one thing I did want to mention is that not all backlinks are created equal. So, you know, there's trustworthy backlinks and then there's spammy backlinks. You definitely want to make sure you have trustworthy ones and relevant to your niche. So, you know, getting a backlink from, say, Pizza Hut would not do you any good because Google knows that you have nothing to do with that niche. So definitely getting relevant backlinks in this industry is what matters to Google. All right, that is all I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you all have a great night.